Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a piglin from the Minecraft movie. Now, if you have other Minecraft characters that you'd like to see me draw, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to draw them. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our Minecraft piglin, let's begin with the eyes. So let's begin by making a line that's going to come down and then up in a check mark. And we'll do that same thing here. Just go the other way, down and up in a check mark. I'm going to come down, over, and then up. Down, over, and then up. Kind of shape out the eyes. Next, let's make a line across for the top of the nose. We'll make a line down on each side. And a line across. Then we're going to color in an oval for the nostrils. For the mouth, let's bring a line down on each side. Then we're going to make a line across here. We'll make a big pointed tooth on the outside. And then we're going to make some bumps here. And then we're going to make some bumps across the top. We'll go up and down for a tongue. Now, let's make him wearing a helmet. So right above the eyes, let's bring a straight line across. Then let's go down on each side. We're going to come over on each side. Then we're going to go up, over, and then down. Next, we're going to come up, over, and then down at an angle. Let's make two lines here, and then kind of bring these back. Next, we're going to bring this line down and in for the side, down and in. We'll curve in each side here, and then go down and then up here. I like to make a little line underneath the eyes, and then a couple little lines coming down here. We can also make a little line coming out here on each side. For the ears, we're going to come out, down, and up. We'll do the same thing, out, down, and up. For the shoulders, we're going to go out on each side by the ears. We're going to bring this line down and in, down and in. Then we'll bring this down and in one more time. Then the middle here, we're just going to make like a rectangle shape. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's just going to come down and in. We're going to go down and in. We'll make another one, down, over, and then up. Let's make a rectangle shape here on the front. We'll make a line that goes up, over, and then up at an angle. We're going to bring this line down, and we're just going to make kind of like a zigzag line across, and then up here. For the feet, let's come down and down. Go down and then down. We'll make a square toe, leave some space, and make another square toe. Same thing, kind of square toe, and then a square toe. Bring this up and connect. connect, and then bring it up. Then we're going to make a couple little lines on here to make them look kind of wrinkly. We'll also make a line here and a line here. Now for the arms, let's bring this line down. When I get to here, I'm going to curve a pointed line around for the thumb. Then we're just going to make a line here and a line that curves around. We'll make one more here. And then one here. And then we're going to bring this line back up. We'll make two lines here. And then we'll make two lines here. I'm going to make a line that comes up on each side. And I'm going to put a little diamond shape here. We're going to make a rectangle shape here. And then we're going to make this line come out to a point and then bring it back. Then let's go ahead and put a bunch of little points on the end to make it look like a Minecraft sword. Over here, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve this line around here. We'll make a line here. And we'll curve this line down and around. Bring this up. Then we'll draw two lines here. And we can put two lines here. We'll make a round little fingernail and one here too. Now the final thing is let's make the chains that come down here. So let's make two diagonal lines here, two diagonal lines here, and let's just put some little lines on it. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Minecraft movie Piglin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.